Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the concept of the guilt. I'm taking it very slow because we are coming up with the 44 lessons of soul, which I guess will be uploading in next week. From next week, it will be coming with the concepts. And I'm very much sure that you will like it. You will get more awareness about yourself, your journey, the life you are living in right now. You will get the idea, the satisfaction that you are not having any alienating experience in your life currently. It is coming in a form of what we call, जब हमें पता होता है that this is going to happen, we are more relaxed and compassionate towards that situation as well as to our journey. So winding that, let's come back to the guilt factor. It is something, many a times the things which you are dealing with, always is a constant monitoring is going behind your head that why it is happening. I wish I could have said this thing to this person, or I have taken the stand, something like that. But and sometimes also we tends to fall for that, I wish I could change that scenario while going back into the past. Let you know one thing very clearly. We have heard this saying, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. That is very much true. And I'll give you the scientific reason as well. Why? You know, I don't know who's the age is watching this video this time. But whatever the concepts, the challenges, or the decision you have been made, reflect back from today to the last 5 years. कोई भी एक सिचुएशन आपकी लाइफ की, if you take that scenario in your mind and reflect back 5 years down the line, you will be grateful for now that thank God this situation is not currently. या तो वो इंसान आपकी लाइफ में, whatever, if you guys have breakup, friendship breakup, relationship breakup, or the career change. Some people switch their career to this to that, streams, anything like that. So whatever the decision आपने वो उस टाइम पे लिया, that is coming from purely your intuitiveness, your gut feeling. जब हम उसे इग्नोर करते हैं, जब हम उसे क्वेश्चन करते हैं, it tends to decrease. एंड जब वो जो हमारा पैरामीटर होता है वो डिक्रीजिंग पे शुरू हो जाता है, तब हमारी लाइफ की मैक्सिमम ऑफ द इनसिक्योरिटीज, मैक्सिमम ऑफ द वनरेबिलिटीज सरफेस पे आने लगती है. एंड देन वी कैन नॉट डील विद इट बिकॉज ए वी आर नॉट ग्रेटफुल फॉर द थिंग्स विच इज़ हैपनिंग. बी जब ग्रेटफुल ही नहीं है तो वो ठीक है, जो हमें चीज़ दी गई एज अ रिजल्टेंट, वी आर नॉट ग्रेटफुल, देन things will come in their own ways. And I'll tell you, I am an expert in Akashic, So Akashic healing is a modality. Of course, I know you are not been aware about these things. We'll come up with that also to the introduction of the different modalities. But I'll tell you one thing. I have seen myself many past lives, and जो हम क्रिप करते हैं that we are not getting the luxurious life. I am giving you example. I am blessed with the luxury, or we are complaining we are not having the supportive friend groups. We are not living the verge of whichever your expectations are. Those things, if you go into your past life and look back the answers, I'll tell you what, जो हम कर्म कांड करके आए होते हैं, this is nothing which the toleration level, the things which we are going on in current reality is something like you will be very blessed and you will feel grateful that हम तो इतना भी डिजर्व नहीं करते थे जितना मिल गया है, either the vice versa. So what I am telling you, don't question the integrity of the universe which is showing you the challenge, something like that. Because आपको नहीं पता आपको किस सिचुएशन से बचाया जा रहा है, क्या दिया जा रहा है. बिकॉज वेन वी टॉक अबाउट लॉन्ग स्पैन ऑफ द एरियाज, जब हम रिफ्लेक्ट बैक करेंगे एंड अवेयरनेस में अपनी लाइफ जिएंगे, वी विल एवरीथिंग मेक्स सेंस देन. What I want you to do is just be grateful for your every each and day, every breath, again, which you are doing right now. Every breath, family members, home, food, clothes which you are wearing. Winter is there. I am talking about my areas of weather. Those little awareness which comes up, that will change your entire journey, the way you should live, the way of living, being, everything will start transforming, and I'll let you know how to proceed with it. Yeah, okay, bye bye, take care, radhe radhe.